Hey Sally, do you like my costume?
Yeah, it's okay.
Is something wrong?
I'm sad about Halloween ending tonight.
Why? It's so much fun.
Yeah, but it's over.
I know who to cheer you up.
Don't make me angry. Oh, hi girls. Can I help you?
So sad.
Why?
Halloween is going to be over soon.
That's true, but it's not over yet. And remember all the fun we had this month? If you think about it, Sarah, Halloween is all month long. Remember that night we carved pumpkins?
That was fun.
Yeah, and it lets trick-or-treaters know our home is open for candy.
Oh yeah, carving the pumpkins was so fun. Then we baked the pumpkin seeds and ate them.
Then we baked the cookies.
Oh yeah, we made pumpkins, bat, and even superhero cookies.
I remember 2 young people covering them with sprinkles and chocolate. You could barely see the cookie after that.
Dad, you put the whole candy bar on yours.
And it was delicious. And it didn't even melt in the oven. We didn't just spend the month in the kitchen, though. Remember that weekend we visited the pumpkin patch?
Remember when we pet the animals, Isa?
Yeah, it was cow seeds and horses. That was fun.
You also rode tractors, too.
What about the clocks?
Oh yeah.
See, you had so much fun this month leading up to Halloween that you forgot how much fun you had. And we're going to have so much fun trick-or-treating. We just have to follow a few rules and the night will be great.
Are you feeling better, Sarah?
Yeah, Halloween really is all month long. Hey, where did your dad go?
Ho, ho, ho! Just because Halloween is over, don't think that's the end of the holidays. They're only just beginning.